The next option is the canvas. This essentially allows you to create a different workspace. So for example, if I click on this grid view, you can see I can select another canvas. And this can be something like, maybe you want to create like a different section, or you want to just work on a different workspace, but not on your main page. So this would be like practice. Here I'll click on add canvas. And then from here, we can just go ahead and work on something. Now, this is actually really useful if you want to install a template and then use parts of templates. So for example, over here, I'll click on pre-made templates. And let's say, for example, you want to use some of Divi's pre-made templates, right? Maybe you like specific sections, but you don't want to use the entire design. So for example, I'll go ahead and select the butcher shop, and then I'll click on use this layout. Okay, so the template has been loaded, and let's say, for example, you want to work on like different parts of this, right? So I'll go ahead and delete some sections here. Go ahead and delete this. Also delete this, and maybe you just want to use this section and kind of work with it. Maybe you want to, design this and then add it to your primary websites. So what you can do is you can practice on something and then just go ahead and click on save. Okay, and then later over here under the other canvas, what you can do is you can work on different projects. So you can work on your About Us page, your home page, or you can just create a page if you just want to mess around with stuff and just play with stuff and then just see where everything takes you.